Hi, guys. Hey, I am going to be part of a special model group build. This is the first model kit build I've ever actually got into as a group build with people. This is what I'm going to use, the Dukes of Hazzard General Lee. It's being put on by Mike's Model Shop, and the it's time machine scale models. Uh, Both of those guys are putting on this group build, and it's for channels that have under 1,000 subs. So it's a special build just for uh, people that are under 1,000 subs. That's why it's called the um, under 1,000 group build, obviously. So anyway, I've got this old General Lee kit, and I think it's a good time to, as good a time as any to build it. The build starts May 1st or March 1st and goes uh, through April, May. I think it ends at the end of May, I think. So you got like 2 months to do the build. But anyway, this is the one that I'm gonna put in the build. Um, Definitely always been partial to the General Lee, especially since I painted a real one. Back in the day, back when I was doing custom paint and everything like that, I did a real 69 Charger that Sonny Schroyer, the guy that thought, or the guy that played Enos in the TV show, he seen pictures of it and he thought that it was an original General Lee. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, guys, yeah, like I said, this is my going to be the one I'm going to enter in the under 1,000 group build. And like I said, it's being put on by Time Machine Scale Models and Mike's Model Shop. So ought to be pretty fun to do a group build. So like I said, I've never done one, and just kind of a neat thing for the model community, the RC. Most of the guys I know that do RC stuff also do scale models and everything like that. So it's a lot of fun. But okay, guys, well, I will let you go. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. And stay tuned for more updates on this to come up. And like I said, March 1st, I'll start on it and keep you posted. And we'll go from there. So take care, guys. Hope you're all doing well out there, and stay safe. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.